Hi guys, I'm Dr. Howard. I'm a board certified dermatologist and the founder of GIRL+HAIR. So let's talk about one of my favorite products, our apple cider vinegar rinse. And yes, I am a dermatologist, and yes, I did create this product. Now, the reason why I love this product is because it is the perfect marriage between science and functionality. One of the things that you'll notice when you pick up the product is, of course, it has an applicator tip for easy application. No fuss and no hassle with getting the product directly to the scalp. Another thing that I want you guys to pay attention to is, of course, the amazing ingredients. We have apple cider vinegar, which is great to restore the scalp pH, and also it helps to get rid of product buildup. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about this product too is that I incorporated tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil is a well-studied ingredient because of its antifungal properties. So for those of you with an itchy, scaly scalp, you may want to reach for this product. Remember guys, this is not to replace your shampoo. You need to use this product with a shampoo. And if you are in the market for a new shampoo, don't forget to check out